In a quiet village, a young girl named Emma was visiting her grandmother's old house. One day, Emma decided to explore the dusty old attic. Among the forgotten
AI created that story video totally free. Here's a short story that we're going to create in the video.
A hungry fox once looked everywhere for food.
To create this, we need a story and images of all the scenes that will convert into video, voiceover, and some editing spices. For the story, I am using ChatGPT. First, ask ChatGPT to give a narration story. Each scene should be about 5 seconds longer, and also give detailed prompts for each scene for video generation. ChatGPT has given a story and detailed prompt for each scene, but this story is written by AI. I prefer human-written scripts, so open Google and search for short kid stories in English. Open any of these websites. Here you'll find a lot of human-written stories. Copy one from them. Again, open ChatGPT and simply paste the story. Then, give it the prompt to separate all the scenes of the story. Separate even the smallest scene. Here, the story is divided into its scenes. Then ask ChatGPT to give the detailed prompt for each scene for video generation. Now ChatGPT clearly has given the detailed prompt for each scene. For image generation, I am using Microsoft Designer. Open Designer, click on Create and select Image. Click on Size, and select Wide. In the description, you need to put prompt. Open ChatGPT, copy the prompt and paste it into Designer, and hit Generate. The designer has created 4 different images, but all are in different styles. Mention 3D animation and Disney Pixar in the prompt. Now the images are perfect. Download the best image that matches your story. Do the same process, and generate all the images. Here are all the images. For video generation, I am using Luma's Dream Machine. Simply search for Luma AI. Open this website. Its interface is very simple. Click on this image button to upload the image. In the prompt section, put the narrator line. You can also leave it blank, and hit Generate. It may take a long time to proceed. Luma AI allows you to generate 20 videos per day. Here the video is generated. Do the same process to generate all the videos. Here are all the videos. For voiceover, I am using Clipchamp. Basically, it's a video editor. Create a new video. At the left side, click on Record and Create, and then on Text to Speech. On the right side, paste the story. Choose language, and then select a voice. It offers a lot of voices. Click on Advanced Settings to select emotion or voice pitch. After done, click on Save, and the voice will be added to the timeline. Simply export the video. Now everything is ready. We just need to combine them. For that I am using CapCut. You can use any video editor. Drag and drop all the video clips and the voiceover file. Import all the clips on the timeline. Also import the voiceover and extract the audio from the voiceover file. Arrange them according to the voiceover. You can do it if you have basic knowledge of editing. For background music, we need copyright-free music. Open YouTube Studio, and open Audio Library. Here you can find music provided by YouTube, that is completely risk-free. Download it. Click on Audio. CapCut also provides music, but they are copyright-free for TikTok, not for YouTube. Add the music on the timeline, and make its volume less than 20 decibels. Also, add some transitions. Click on the caption button, hit Generate. Click on Templates, select one, and move the caption to the center. Decrease its size, so it doesn't affect the visual.
A hungry fox once looked everywhere for food. He couldn't find anything until he stumbled upon a farmer's wall. He saw big, purple, juicy grapes. He jumped as high as possible to reach the grapes. No matter how many times he tried, he failed. Finally, he gave up and went home, thinking to himself that the grapes must have been sour anyway. Moral: nothing comes easy, do not hate what you can't have.